Good day everyone, I'm Ronel Racadio and today I will presenting about information management and the entity relationship model. These two concepts are very important because they help us understand how organizations handle data and how databases are designed. What is information management? Information management is the process of collecting, storing, organizing, and using information effectively. In simple terms, it is making sure that the right people get the right information at the right time. It also involves keeping data accurate, secure, and easy to access. Process of collecting, storing, organizing, and using information. Goals: accuracy, security, accessibility. Then, the importance of information management. Information management is important because organization depends on information to make decisions and improve operations. For example, schools need accurate student records and businesses need reliable sales report. Without good information, management mistakes can happen and opportunities can be lost. Supports decision making. 2. Improves efficiency. 3. Protects valuable data. Entity relationship or ER model. 1. Used to design database. 2. Components, entities, attributes, and relationships. And the entity relationship models is the way of representing data in database. Entities are objects like student or course. Attributes are their data such as name or code. And relationships shows how entities are connected like a student enrolling a course. Example of ER model. To give an example, in a university system, we can have three entities: student, course, and instructor. The student entity has attributes like student name and ID, while the course has code in title and the instructor has a name and email. The relationship are that student enrolls in a course and the instructor teaches a course. Entities: student, course, instructor. Relationship: student enroll in course, instructor teaches course. Degrees of relationship. Binary: one entity with itself. 2. Binary: two entities. 3. Ternary: three entities. In ER model, relationship can have different degrees. Unary involves one entity with itself, such as an employee supervising another employee. Binary, which is not common, is between two entities like a student enrolling in a course. Ternary involves three entities like a doctor prescribing medicine to a patient. Chen model. The Chen model, introduced by Peter Chen in 1976, is one of the earliest way of drawing ER diagrams. In this model, entities are shown as rectangles, attributes are ellipse, and relationships as diamond. It is detailed and is often used in teaching database design. Entities: rectangle, attributes, ellipses, relationship, diamonds. Crowfoot model. Another popular way to draw ER diagrams in the Crowfoot model. This model is widely used in business and IT because it is simple and visual. In this model, A straight line represents one and the crossput symbols represent many. For example, one customer can place many orders. This helps us usually understand cardinalities or the number of instances between entities. Entities. Rectangle with attributes. Relationship. Lines with symbols. And last, crossput. Many. Comparing chain versus crossput. Both the chain model and the crossput model have their strength. The chain model is more detailed and is often used in academic settings, while the crossput model is easier to read and is commonly used in industry. The choice depends on the level of detail needed. Chain, more detailed, academic, and the crossput, simpler, widely used in practice. Conclusion. Information managements make data useful. ER model organize data through entities, attributes, and relationships. Chain and crossput are effective notation, and to include information management ensures that data is collected, organized, and used effectively. The entity relationship model provides a blueprint for designing database by showing entities, attributes, and relationships. Both the chain and crossput models are viable tools that help us understand how data connected. That's all for my video presentation. Thank you for listening.